shoot straight up and absorb that landing. Don't just like, alright, what's up guys? It's Aaron from How To's by Bros, and today I'm going to show you how to jump higher for volleyball at home. Obviously that you can use this for any sport, but specifically I'm targeting volleyball. So it's really about the approach to start. I'll start off with the approach. When you're in volleyball, your approach is something like right, left, and then fire up. All right. So you want to use your arms a lot. All right. Your arms are a big part of it. I see a lot of people not really chucking their arms, and they don't get that much height. So you want to use your arms as much as you can, and you want to you know, go down pretty far, but not like super far where you're like squatting and then jumping, but or not too low where you're like just like this, but just like a good balance where you like go right up. And then what you want to do to increase the height of your once you have the approach down, you have your arms swinging and you go down the good height. Once you have that down, you want to warm up properly. Warming up actually is a big part of it. Like when I don't warm up, I can't jump as high. Plus, you're going to be able to jump longer if you warm up properly. You're not going to want to just like do a full-on jump without warming up. All right. So warm up properly with some like high knees, some butt kickers, some just frog jumps like this, and just like warm up properly. All right, another tip is to do deadlifts and squats. Get your deadlifts and squats up. I guarantee you, if you get your deadlifts and squats up, you're gonna be able to jump higher. And because deadlifts are the exact movement as jumping, it's the exact same thing. So like, you know, boom. You can also do banded deadlifts where you like have a band and just like do it fast, get that explosiveness. But those are like some of the top tips on how to jump higher, especially for volleyball, but for all sports. So I'll show you how high I can jump. I don't train really for jumping, honestly. I don't really train for jumping high, but I have a decent, I've had a decent vertical. So yeah, so right, left, and fire up. So I'll show you. Shoot straight up and absorb that landing. Don't just like land straight up. All right. So that's how to jump higher for volleyball. In volleyball, for at home, you know, you can do these. You can, you know, practice your approach anywhere you go. I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Click the link in the description for a backflip ebook. We just made a backflip ebook. If you want to learn to backflip, it's a sick trick. And yeah, God bless. Have a great day.